Thank you for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe if you hadn't already subscribed. This is going to be an update on the stimulus package that's before the House right now. As you know, there's two different bills on the table. One is giving everybody $2,000 a month for up to 12 months. It's going to be guaranteed for 6 months. This is $2,000 for each individual, $4,000 for a married couple, $500 for each dependent child, up to 3 children. So that's a pretty big deal. I mean, that will change a lot of people's lives. It's not only going to put bread on the table and pay the bills, it's going to change their life. Do I believe that this will get passed? No, not in its present form, but it will be hashed out and they're going to play their little games with it, and we'll get some variation of it. Do I see $2,000 for every individual? No. That's, if you really look at it, that's kind of crazy. I hope it happens. That would sure change my life. The other bill that's on the table is to forgive rent and mortgage payments for up to a year. And this will be federally mandated. The landlords and rental agencies and stuff, they will have no choice but to go with it. They will get their money from the federal government. So it's not like they're going to be out money. They're going to still get paid. It's just they're not going to get paid from you. And it will protect them too, because it's guaranteed money that they will get. If you decide you want to move, they're out that money. But with this, why would you move if your rent's paid? So it's a win-win situation. Of course, there's going to be naysayers on either bill that gets passed. It's going to be people that don't like it. Always is, no matter how good it is. Okay, now for the update. The one that's getting the most traction right now is the $2,000 a month. And that is because with the free rent thing, that's just too complicated. It's a lot of legwork to it. A lot of red tape, and they think the $2,000 a month for everyone will be a lot easier to get done. So that's the one they're going with right now. Nothing is set in stone. It could change. They could completely take everything off the table. We never know until it's done, and they get through playing their political games. Now, as good as this sounds, I know a lot of people will find it hard to believe that this was introduced by the Democrats. The Democrats right now are not doing very good at all in the polls. They have no real leader. So they want to do something to save face. They want to do something to make people take notice and maybe come back to the Democrat side. So I am Republican, and I would never go back to the Democrat side, but I will take the stimulus package. It's a good idea. Whoever came up with it, Omar, I don't like her at all, but this is a great idea. Now, if they can get it passed is another story. We'll just have to wait and see. Keep your fingers crossed. Talk to the man upstairs. He can help us with this. And y'all, no matter what they decide, we know who's in charge, and we will get through this thing. Mark my word on that. We've got through worse. But an extra $2,000 a month for everybody, that would sure make it easy. Like I say, it would be life-changing. So keep your fingers crossed, say a prayer, and just know I love you all. Please come back tomorrow for another update.